Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share your live location on Messenger. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to share your live location in Messenger, first open up your Messenger app as I have already opened it. And to share your live location, open the chat box of your person or the friend whom you want to share your live location. For me it will be this one. And now after that, if you want to share your live location, you can see the four dotted icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. As you can see, just beside the camera icon, tap on the four dotted icon like this, and after that you can see the location option available over here. Tap on location and you can see the start sharing live location for 60 minutes available over here. Click on there and you will be sharing your location to your friend for an hour. You can see we are sharing our location from over here, and again, and 59 minutes remaining. And there guys, this is how you share your location on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.